In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shiprocket with Shopify. We're going to walk through the full connection process so that your Shopify store can automatically send orders to Shiprocket for shipping, and you can manage everything in one place. Follow along on your own screen as I explain, and feel free to pause between sections while you complete each part. First, make sure you're logged into both your Shopify store and your Shiprocket account in separate browser tabs. This will make switching between them easier as we move through the steps. If you don't yet have a Shiprocket account, go ahead and create one and complete the basic setup, like adding your pickup address and business details before you start the integration. Now, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the section where you can access your apps. From there, you'll need to open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Shiprocket and look for the official Shiprocket app. It should clearly mention that it helps you manage shipping and logistics in India with multiple courier partners. Once you've found it, click on it to open the app details page. Then choose the option to add the app to your store. Shopify will now ask you to confirm the installation and show you the permissions that the Shiprocket app needs. These typically include access to your orders, products, and basic store information so Shiprocket can sync and generate shipping labels. Take a moment to review these permissions so you understand what's being shared. Then click the button to install or approve the app. After the app is installed, you'll be redirected to the Shiprocket interface inside Shopify, or to a connection screen. Here, you'll need to log in with your Shiprocket credentials so the two accounts can link. Once you've signed in successfully, Shiprocket will usually ask you to authorize the connection to your Shopify store. Approve that, and the integration will be established. At this stage, it's a good idea to check a few key settings. Inside the Shiprocket panel, look for options related to channels or connected stores, and confirm that your Shopify store is listed as active. You may also see settings for syncing orders, updating order statuses, and pushing tracking details back to Shopify. Enable automatic syncing if that fits your workflow, so that every new order from your store appears in Shiprocket without manual effort. Finally, place a small test order on your Shopify store, then check in Shiprocket to see if that order appears in your panel. If you can view the order, assign a courier, and see a generated shipment, your integration is working correctly. From now on, your Shopify orders should flow directly into Shiprocket, making shipping and tracking much smoother for both you and your customers.